Are you looking for the best option for the installation of your doors and windows? Finding a specialized company is not easy, but don't worry, we're here to help you. Twin Glass LLC is your best option. We're a company based in Fort Palmdale, California, and surrounding cities, where we stand out for providing each of our clients with the greatest satisfaction in each of their residential and commercial projects. In cities like Los Angeles, Beverly Hills, Calabasas, North Hollywood, Santa Clarita, Burbank, Downey, Pico Rivera, Ontario, Chino Hills, and other cities around. Our services include window and door installation, mirror, patterned glass, window glass, shower doors, railings, new construction, and much more. Why choose us? Put your projects in the hands of the best qualified and trained personnel. We are easy to communicate with, so we make it easy for you throughout the construction process. We focus on doing the job right the first time. We have all the tools for the highest quality to provide you with a job that meets your expectations. Cash and check are accepted as payment methods. Our hours of operations are from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Visit our website www.twinglass.com to get more information. Feel free to email us to twinglass2023@gmail.com or call now to discuss your projects at the following phone number 661-208-7432 or 661-236-8538 and get a free quote. At Twin Glass LLC, your satisfaction is our top priority.